So hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, I will show you how to build a timesheet in Excel that automatically calculates total hours and overtime hours. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I have my data, and once you need to set up your data that looks like this. So you have the dates, the days, the time in, the time out, the breaks in between the working sessions. Then you also have the total hours worked. Then you have the overtime hours. So we will start with calculating the total hours. So to calculate the total hours worked each day, we'll use this formula. Just come here and key in this formula. So this formula shows that this subtracts time in, then from time out, then it converts it to hours, then subtracts the break between the hours, then make sure that your time columns are in hours dot minutes. So then the total is in number format. Then once you enter that formula, you will get this. Then once you have calculated your total hours, you can just use the autofill handle, drag down, then you get your time like that. Then the next thing that I want to do is to calculate what we call the overtime. So now let us calculate the overtime. So assuming that the overtime starts at after 8 hours of working. So this formula will check if the total hours exceed 8 hours. You will use this formula. So you will come to this section where you key in this formula. You use the if function to do that, so that if the person exited or worked more than 8 hours, they will have that overtime there. So once you key in like that, then you drag this down, then you get your overtime hours worked like that. You can also change the decimal places or add the decimal places like that. It depends on how you want to add it up to there. Okay, then you can do the same. You can work on the same on this one. Then you can also decide to add the total weekly totals or down here, like let's say for example the total hours worked or the total hours worked over on the week. So you can just use the if function to do, or the sum function to do that, where you enter that and then you put in the sum function like that, then you double click on it, then you highlight this section, then you close your parentheses, then you click enter, then you will get your total hours worked over the week. And that is how you can automate your timesheet. And that's now you've created an Excel timesheet that tracks daily hours, automatically calculates overtime, and gives a weekly summary. So you can do this for the next weeks or other weeks. You just automate or change the dates on this section. Then you can add the days, then add this. It will automatically employ that formula that we have added in there. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you subscribe for more Excel tutorials, and don't forget to give a comment below. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.